Hi guys, I'm Emiko Baldonado. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do this neutral smoky makeup look. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I-click yung bell para notify ka kung may bago akong video. Please follow me sa aking social media. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Okay guys, let's start with a clean face. Then I'm gonna start off with my kilay. I'm gonna use this Unbelievable by L'Oreal. To clean my brows, I'm gonna use this Infallible Concealer by L'Oreal. Naglagay na rin ako ng concealer sa eyelid ko. Now, isa-set ko siya using the Final Powder by Nichido. Now, I'm gonna use this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette in Lemon. And ito yung unang color na gagamitin ko sa eyelid ko. Now, I'm using the Rich palette by EV Advance. Then, ito yung second color na gagamitin ko sa eyelid ko. Now, balik lang ako sa unang color na ginamit ko. Then, i-blend ko lang siya ulit. Again, balik lang ako sa pangalawang eyeshadow color na ginamit ko. Then, ito-darken ko lang yung outer corner. Now, ito na may pangatlong eyeshadow color na gagamitin ko sa eyelid ko. Again, balik lang ako sa pangalawang eyeshadow color na ginamit ko. Ida-darken ko ulit yung outer corner. Now, magla-lashes na ako. But before that, magkikare lang ako ng pilik mata, then mascara. For moisturizer, I'm gonna use this Eye White Korea Aqua Moisturizer Glow. Now, for foundation, I'm gonna use this You Can Face It Foundation by Squad Cosmetics. Haluin ko yung dalawang color, which is the ivory and beige. Then, isiset ko na siya using the final powder by Nichido. For my contour, I'm gonna use this Vice Cosmetics Aura Contour in the shade For Sure. For the blush, again, I'm gonna use this Vice Cosmetics Outer Blush in the shade Title. For my highlighter, I'm gonna use this EV Advance Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. For my lips, I'm gonna use this Careline Soft Suede lipstick in the shade Icon. Then, gagamitin ko tong Lip Gloss Vinyl by EV Advance. Then, we're done. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Lahat ng products na ginamit ko, ililink ko siya sa description box below. Please like and share this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me sa aking social media. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!